My team is awesome. My manager is really an attentive guy, right? He really asks exactly what I want to do and looks into exactly what I want to deliver and where I want to be in 5 years' time. BearingPoint stands for a community. My extra mile changes on a day-to-day basis. All of the above. Open space. Experience all the way. Definitely, because the certificates might get you in the door, but experience is what delivers. Being able to meet people remotely is an obvious one, right? But being able to engage with them for months on end and successfully manage a project with somewhere 40, 50 people that I've never really met before. Leader. Hopefully a combination. I think there are drinks where you can put both together, but I would say on a regular basis, coffee. I think myself being interested in data as a topic, right? Really being able to leverage the insights that we have within data on a day-to-day way, right? I think is really going to change everybody's lives. The fact that I get to develop and change. You can't really see it today all the time, but if I look back 6 months and compare myself today, I'm a different person. Hit the alarm several times. Meeting. We are the champions. Party animal. It's something that I'm striving towards, and I think all of us are, right? I thought I was famous. Today's Friday. Just try and try again, right? Is that aspect of iteration. If you don't get it right, do it again, because you have to get it right at the end of the day.